out here driving spot this old school right here. What is it? I can't tell right now. It's a Buick. Some wheels on it though. Gold wheels with the Buick. Definitely clean old school. Let me know the old school in the comments. Know the name of the old school.
By mistake, I just walked in barn and spent the 40.
I just came across a fucking car show. Car meet over here and shit. These niggas doing anything? They ain't doing shit for real. Oh, he island. Let's see what these niggas doing in here. And shit. Niggas with shiesties on and shit. These niggas. Let's see, these niggas ain't doing nothing but sitting around. Ain't no shit up in here for real. Man, I had a speed bump.
She melted like a Barbie doll. I just wanna smash you one time, I don't want your heart. I just spent 100 and something thousand on a Dodge. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Flying down every pretty in the race car. I been drinking raw. White girl with me.
Got a little something. Just put them on a random car meet and shit over here in Cleveland. But that's all we got, y'all. Check out my YouTube channel. I just spotted a random car show. I do a bunch of other random car spottings and stuff. This is a quick random video, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy it. Hope y'all enjoy my exhaust and stuff. And some of that dolphin stuff. Y'all be safe, though. Yeah, so here it is. I hear that exhaust all the time. NW2 late night cruises, you feel me? Just random shit. Let's see. See him take off in the bike one time. And the Honda gone. I'ma fuck with him for a little bit. Found that dog too.
Go out to Jamaica with my motherfucking rosters. Yeah. I'm moving with my motherfucking shotters. Yeah. I can pop my motherfucking collar. Yeah. A pistol in the.
Oh, my buddy over here doing willies and shit. Yes, sir. There he goes in the bike. Yes, indeed. Buddy was cutting up. He's still cutting up. He's still cutting up. Alright, y'all. That's it for my late night cruise. Random spot. This is a car